What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and take 2 seconds and go ahead and smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It would help the channel tremendously moving forward. In today's video, we are here at Unleashed Motorsports, and that means one thing. We are here to look at our new wheels. Yes, we're getting rid of the Forged Star beadlocks because we're upgrading. We're going to something much better, and I haven't seen it yet personally. I'm going to open up the box and I guess we'll experience this together. So there's the rears, obviously they're beadlock. Let me go ahead and take all of this off and show you guys. Obviously here, this is a beadlock, so we're not spinning the tire around the wheel. 17 by 10. Got our center cap, which I believe is pressed in from the inside. And then we have this ring over here that clamps down on the tire. Let me go ahead and put that on. That's pretty much how it would look. Now, we do need to still get tires for it, so they're not going to be mounted on the car today. Essentially, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to go with the 315 Mickey Thompson, and well, we'll get into that in a minute. And there's the front runners, as you see, forged. Alright guys, you have no idea how excited I am to get those on the car. So on the front runners, we are running 18 by 5s, of course. They're not going to be my everyday wheel, but of course the rears will, because I'm not going to be taking them off. They just look way too damn good. Those beadlocks, on point. With that being said, beadlocks are 17 by 10s or 17 by 10 and a half, so I'm not 100% sure. Either way, we're going to be putting some 315 Mickey Thompsons on there. We may have to mess with the suspension a little, maybe lift the car just a little more than what it already is. But that's okay. If that means we're going to be hooking better, if that means we're going to be running a Meteor tire, I'm okay with that, because I just love the way that it looks. And obviously, if it's for performance, that's what we're here for. With that being said, we're just waiting for tires. When they come in, I will get them mounted on the car, and we will continue this video. So that's going to be it for today, I guess. Alright guys, it has been approximately 6 months since I picked up the camera for this video. Unfortunately, my car was down longer than expected, as you guys probably already know if you've been following the channel for a minute. If not, my car blew up, my motor blew. I had a hard time getting it running. Long story short, it is running now, and then there was a tire shortage. So what good is it for me to pick up wheels without tires? I finally got my hands on some Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. Now we're gonna go put some gas in, then we're gonna go pick it up. I can't wait to reveal the wheels. They look absolutely amazing. I guess the wheels have already been revealed. Anyhow, I can't wait to see them on the car. It's gonna look fantastic. I'm so excited. I'll finally be able to hook. I'll finally be able to do digs again. I just can't wait to get this car dialed in, get it to the track, set some records, and we'll see what we do from there. Alright guys, so we just got here. I'm not going to show you guys the wheels until they're on the car. I haven't seen them yet personally. I literally just pulled into the parking lot. Definitely excited. Let me go talk to them, and I'll pick up the camera in just a little bit.
Hey, 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 go crazy. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, go got picked twice a day, my type of 2 a day. Woke up with no plans, what I'ma do today. These are not the same, I got new shoes today. My baby missed me, wishing it was 2 of me. And I'm like, if I'm not doing what's the real deal. I've been up and down Pharaoh. Free on bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pill pills. I've been at it since a church. Work. Tell little baby, make it twerk.
Alright guys, there they are. They look absolutely amazing on the car. I can't wait to get this car driving on the street. Once it's dialed in, the car is gonna hook. It looks nasty. Those wheels literally weigh nothing. You have no idea how happy I am right now. Of course, we're still missing the front tires. Gotta find some of those in stock. Once we do, we'll get them on the car. Probably keep those tires on permanently. I don't know if I'm gonna run the front runners all the time or just during race time. Obviously, I don't drive the car every day, so I don't see too much of an issue. Either way, I've been driving with these wheels and tires for a minute already, and I must admit, it is driving so much better. I haven't got on it yet. I'm probably not going to get on it until I hear back from my tuner, ensure that everything's okay. He requested a sweep block. I went ahead and sent that over to him. So we're just kind of waiting to see what to do next. So I did some pulls yesterday. The car didn't quite feel like what it used to with the stock throttle body. However, it is driving much better, so I'm just kind of waiting to see what's going on, and hopefully we can get it more dialed in. With that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of the new wheels. I'm absolutely in love with it. I can't stress it enough. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Unleashed Motorsports, for yet again sponsoring another set of wheels. I couldn't ask for a better company to partner up with. Hopefully he can make it to the next drag event that I will be attending, my first one, and I want him there in my corner. With that being said, guys, thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, what are you waiting for? Now that we got wheels, there's plenty of bangers to come. Until next time, I'm checking out.